Greetings Diecast racing fans, Sharky here and welcome back to Sharky's Garage. So today we have another unboxing stroke review and it's on this stuff which is called Speed Track. I will drop a link down in the description of the video to it. I bought this second hand, but before we get into that, don't forget to do the usual things like, comment and subscribe. Right Sharky, what we got here? So off to this side are my cars that I use for testing. I've got a piece of standard Hot Wheels track that's an offcut from other stuff that I'm doing, but I'll show you the reason why that in a minute. We have got the finish gate that I did a review of back way towards the beginning of the channel, and we have the stuff itself. Now this was second hand. It is available to buy brand new. The prices for the new stuff comes in 3 lengths, and I think this is, well, I thought I was buying when I bought this a 5 meter length. That's what it was advertised as. It's actually turned out to be 6.5 meters, which is awesome. It comes in 4 meter, 5 meter and 6 meter lengths from the manufacturer. 4 meters is 27 UK pounds, 5 meters is 32 UK pounds and 6 meters is 37 UK pounds. I picked this up for £15 second hand. And my aim was that I was going to use it to build a new drag strip, because this stuff unrolls, and we'll unroll it and show you. I'm going to have to take it outside to do that because it's massive and there's nowhere I can really run it in the house at the moment, although I might have to find a solution for that. So 3.143 meters is a 1/64th scale, 1/8 of a mile, which means 6.286 meters is a scale 1/4 mile. So I'm going to set up a 1/4 mile drag strip using this. Today we're going to do some testing. I'm probably going to grab Rainbow Girl to get her to do a spot of filming for me, because I can't be at both ends and it's such a long track. We'll set it up to outside. But what is this stuff? Let's get into that. So on one end there is a suction which will stick to glass, and all sorts. I've tested that. And then the track comes and it rolls out, and it literally, you know, it rolls up. It's brilliant. And it unrolls easily, and if you just roll it back the other way, it lays out nice and flat. Now, turning it so that we've got some track showing there. Part of the reason why I've got this piece here is it is a bit wider than that, so it will run the cars, the Pixar cars vehicles, as well as the standard Hot Wheels. Let's just pick this one. You can see this one doesn't move around very much on there. There's quite a bit of distance on there, so we'll see how that runs. So yeah, this stuff is really quite cool. It's really smooth. It's easy to keep rolled up and all of that. Now, the other interesting thing with this, just putting that back in there, is this finish gate that was painted up. You can see has the lane dividers in, but if I can get you the right angle, that there you can see it's the same width is that there. So for the finish line, I'm going to, for now, until I get a better solution, tape it onto the underside of that and do that at the bottom end, and use the old finish line that I had there. There is a bit of damage to it because it's worn and all the rest of it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to get it set up outside, and then I will come back to you and show you running my test cars down it. Right folks, I've just set this up outside, so stick it onto the double glazed window, the cars there, run it straight along here, across the chair, onto the old finish, with the finish gate down here, and that's to stop them coming off the end, because they should make it quite easily because there's quite a bit of a drop there. I'm going to ask Rainbow Girl to film some of the stuff. The cars in here, slowest to fastest. This one was an absolute lightning on the wing over track. These are my track testing cars. So we're going to send them down. What I'll do, 2, 4, 6. So we'll do 3 racing pairs. We'll send 5 down at the start, not timed, and then of the 6 fastest, we'll send them down both lanes and see how that goes. Right, so this yellow car is my slowest car that can make the track. I'm going to run it down on the far side to start off with. 3, 2, 1, release. Oh, I messed that up. Let's try that again. 3, 2, 1, release.
Oh no!
I only made it part way. We'll try that one again. Got a wheel off the side.
He's not very good, this one.
No, but he was making it all the way a minute ago, so.
Perhaps he needs more coffee.
In 6 lanes you got across. The orange one is faster.
It's really difficult to keep up with them. I miss the middle bit.
The purple one is heavier and again faster.
Woohoo!
The white one is one of the few realistic casts that are in this. It's the Cunningham C4R.
When the sun's coming out.
And the last one I'm going to run down this side and then I'm going to run it down the other way is the, what's this one? Baseline. It's got the speakers in the back. Again, not cars I'd normally run on the track, but I use for testing. Right, we covered them. We're going to run down the other side. Got over the middle line.
Oh, fail.
This is why this one's the worst one. It goes all over the place. And also it's a different lane. Ready?
Oh, it's not very good.
It keeps getting a wheel over the middle line.
Needs to get his wheels in order.
I am looking at solutions to make a gradual slope. So, let's try again.
Oh, nearly. Not quite.
Let's try it one more time. Right to the outside this time.
Oh.
He's not going to make it.
No, he failed.
Just because once I've got it set up, I'm just making sure that this is straight. Ah, there we go. pulling the track straight. Let's try it again.
Yay! He made it! I don't need it.
Orange, purple, the white one, and finally the red one, which will be hard to see.
Woohoo!
Right, the other 6 vehicles we're going to do some races, and I'm going to get Rainbow Girl to film that from the far end and trigger the start gate. Right, we just changed the batteries in the finish gate, so that's why we've got the testing on there. Rainbow Girl's going to trigger the start gate down there, so press the big button on top.
Okay.
You can.
No, I missed.
Because the sunshine, it's not triggering, which is one of the problems we're running outside. So we're going to run them again on the opposite lanes and see who wins. So if you want to trigger the start gate for me. Neither of them. The red one won. We're just about to get rain, so we have to film this quickly. There's 2 wins for the red, as the rain's coming down really hard. Green versus blue. Nobody gets there.
It's raining.
It is, it's doing big spots. Right.
Quick, run!
Green.
And the rain stopped. Right, I'll trigger the thing. Oh, I can do it. I haven't stopped.
Very close, but the blue got that. We'll run again.
I can trigger the thing. You don't need to run up and down, although it is hilarious. Quick, run, run, run! Oh,
Green wins that one. The blue makes an interesting noise when it's running. It's not triggering the finish gate because it being outside.
Okay.
Right, last 2 cars, fastest 2.
That was better.
Yeah. Silver one won that one. We'll switch lanes and go again.
Ready?
Yeah. Right folks, I hope you found that fun and interesting. Okay, I will be working on bracing this track and making it smoother so that we don't lose so many times and to keep it straight and stuff like that. I will run this silver one, which is the fastest, one more time. Thanks to Rainbow Girl for doing some filming for us. Thanks for everyone for watching. Don't forget to do the usual things, like, comment and subscribe.